Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert image in Google Sheets cell. We'll be working inside a Google Sheets spreadsheet and using the built-in image option to place a picture directly into a cell. This is useful when you want your sheet to stay neat and organized, especially for things like product lists, inventory trackers, visual references, or class materials. When an image is inserted in a cell, it stays attached to that cell instead of floating freely over the sheet. To begin, open your Google Sheets file so you are on the spreadsheet screen and ready to make changes. Once the sheet is open, locate the sample cell where you want the image to appear and click on that cell to select it. This step is important because Google Sheets will place the image into whichever cell is currently active. After selecting the cell, move your attention to the top menu bar. Click on Insert. This opens a drop-down menu with several different content options you can add to your spreadsheet. From that menu, click on Image. When you do that, another small menu will appear, giving you different ways to add an image. From the image options, choose Insert Image in Cell. Make sure you select the In Cell option and not the Over Cells option, because these behave differently. Inserting the image in the cell keeps it contained within the selected cell, which makes your layout easier to manage and helps everything align properly as you sort or resize your sheet. Next, browse for your sample image and follow the on-screen procedure to upload it. Depending on your device and setup, you may see options to upload from your computer or choose an image from another source. Select the image you want, confirm the upload, and allow Google Sheets a moment to place it into the selected cell. Once the image appears, you'll know it has been inserted successfully. If the image looks too small or feels cramped, remember that the image will fit within the boundaries of that cell. In many cases, adjusting the row height or column width can help the image display more clearly while still remaining inside the cell. And that's all there is to it. You opened your spreadsheet, selected the target cell, used the Insert menu, chose Image, selected Insert Image in Cell, and then uploaded your file by following the on-screen prompts. This is a simple feature, but it can make your Google Sheets much more visual and easier to work with.